Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Herda, and today I would like to share to you about two well-known dishes from Jogja and a little bit about their historical background. So sit back and enjoy the video. First, let's start with the most iconic dish in Jogja, gudeg. According to Murjati Garjito, a professor and researcher at Universitas Gadjah Mada, gudeg has been around since Jogja was first back in the 16th century. The soldier of Mataram Kingdom demolished a forest in order to build a civilization. Turns out the forest has a lot of jackfruit and a coconut tree, so the soldiers tried to cook those jackfruit and coconut. Because of their large number, they have to make it in a big pot made of metal and stirred. As I mentioned before, the dish was made by stirring them. Now, the name gudeg came from the word han gudeg, which is Javanese for to stir. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move on to our second iconic dish, bapia. Bapia is a flat round pie. It contains of the mixture of green beans and sugar. However, nowadays they have variety flavor as of innovation such as cheese, chocolate, chocolate and peanuts, pineapple, even durian. Like pancake durian is not enough, now they have bapia with durian as a filling. Although bapia is not originally from Jogja, but it is actually from China. In China, they were called Lutopia, which literally means green bean pie. Historically, bapia is an imported dish brought by the Chinese immigrants in the early decades of the 20th century. In the 1930s, bapia was commercialized because of the economic difficulties of Chinese families in Jogja. But in 1992, bapia began booming and we can still enjoy bapia up until now. But do you think the culinary tourism can sustain the tourism in Jogja itself? According to WTO, sustainable tourism is seen from the harmony between economics, social needs, and on one hand, maintaining cultural integrity, essential ecological process, biodiversity, and support system for needs. As you know, culinary can go far away from tourism. I mean, in every country, in every region that you visit, the first thing you need to find is the food. Therefore, culinary plays an important role in increasing tourist visit in Indonesia. As our former Minister of Tourism, Mr. Arif Yahya used to say, culinary is an very influential industry for Indonesian tourism. Bearing in mind, 60% of tourism is supported by creative industry. One of them is culinary. No, I mean, that is a pretty long line, so I have to write it on the paper. See, I have the paper. It's a pretty long line, I can remember all of them. Now enough with the chit chat about the history of the dish. Why don't we try the real food now? First, we have bapia. Well, because I ordered the gudeg, but it hasn't arrived yet, so it's pretty awkward right now. And here we are, bapia. I ordered it from Jalan Hayam Buruk. I forget the name of this store, but we'll figure it out. So first, this one. I think this is cheese. This is cheese, and I think this is the green bean, the original. And this is chocolate. This is chocolate. And this, well, there are two chocolates. Oh no, this is red bean. Yeah, this is red bean. It does comes with a different shape. It's not like the one I thought, but it's cool. We're gonna try it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try chocolate one because I'm a chocolate man myself. It's my favorite. I love everything about chocolate though. There you go. Oh yeah, this is chocolate. See, it has the chocolate sprinkle right over here. It's yeah, as I mentioned before, it's not what I think it is, but apparently this is bapia. We're gonna try it. Hope it's good though. It is good. It's not too sweet, but not plain, which is I love because I myself is not a sweet tooth, but I like this one. This is really great, and it costs like around 8,500 rupiah. Pretty cheap, and it's really good. I'm not gonna lie. So as I mentioned before, it's not too sweet, and the pastry. Oh, I don't know if you can see this, but it has a lot of layers here, so it's like, but yeah, overall this is good, man. I can stop eating this. Oh my god, it's really good. Now the main dish is finally arrived. Let's try the gudeg now. And here we are, nasi gudeg. Well, fun fact about nasi gudeg. Actually, I don't like nasi gudeg, but I like the history behind it. That's why I choose nasi gudeg as my choice. But let's find out. And here we are, nasi gudeg. So as you, I don't know if you can see it though. So here we are, nasi gudeg. As you can see, they got the rice, the jackfruit right here, and long ago they only served with tahu or tempe, but then they started to put eggs and chicken. But right now I use egg. I use egg. But right now I order with egg. So we're gonna try it. Hope it's really good though. Ada krecek. No. Oh my god. Ooh, it's really good. I'm sorry I'm using my hand because I haven't prepared the spoon. But this is good. It's icy but sweet also because of the gori. I don't know what to say. This is really good actually. They got tempe, got egg, we got sambal also, the rice, the jackfruit. Wow, that's a lot of coconut milk. This is I bought this. Actually, it's really near my house. And my parents told me that this is the best gudeg they ever had. But yeah. Oh, it's really good. I don't know any word. I don't know any word to describe it, but Fun fact about gudeg in Jogja, there's this place called Gudeg Ujung. They say that it's the bomb. It's legendary. It's legendary. Nothing can beat the flavor of Gudeg Ujung. They say I never tried it. I'm curious. I really want to try it. Oh my god, this is so good. I don't look, guys. I know this is an assignment, but I'm gonna finish this food. Sorry, guys. So that's all, guys. It's the history of the most iconic dish in Jogja and a little bit review about it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you when we see you. Bye.